Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you beef roast recipe. So let's see how it's prepared. The ingredients all you need is: in a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add half teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Then add some curry leaves. Now add 1 medium-sized chopped onion. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to it. And saute it really well. Now add 5 cloves of garlic and 1-inch piece of ginger chopped. Now add 1 slit green chili. Saute it really well. After onion turned golden brown, add 3/4 tablespoon of red chili powder and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. And 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder and half tablespoon of meat masala powder. Saute raw smell of masalas goes. Now add 1 small chopped tomato. We have to cool this before blending. Take a jar and blend this to a smooth paste. I have taken 500 grams of beef. So let's pressure cook it by adding this paste to it. Add little amount of water. Now mix it well. Close the lid and pressure cook beef till it is tender. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. And add 1 chopped onion. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 slated green chili and few curry leaves. Salt till golden brown. Now add cooked beef. Mix it really well. let it absorb all the water and become dry. So our beef started to dry. Now add few more curry leaves and mix it really well. So our tasty beef roast is ready. This is really tasty and spicy recipe of beef roast. So please try this. If you like my video, please like it, share it and comment it. If you're watching my channel for first time, please don't forget to subscribe.